If you're a business owner in England and Wales and you're in a dispute and you want to bring that dispute to an end, then you should watch this video. Alternative Dispute Resolution. It's frequently called ADR. When can you use ADR? Well, the question is at any point in time. If you find yourself in a dispute with someone, that dispute can settle on any given day. But what you need is two people who are prepared to settle, and ADR is a way, if nothing else, of getting people prepared to reach a settlement and reach a compromise. I mentioned that there are, to my mind, three types of ADR. The first was arbitration. Now, arbitration is often included in quite complex contracts, particularly contracts for building works. And there'll be a clause in a building works contract which will say if there is a dispute, then the parties agree to settle it by arbitration. Arbitration is a genuine alternative to court proceedings. It's kind of like private court proceedings. What the parties do is that they appoint an arbitrator and they agree before the appointment that they will be bound by the decision of the arbitrator. They'll then go into a process where each party will set out their case and they'll prepare it and present it to the arbitrator, and then that arbitrator will make a decision. And as I've said, both parties will have agreed to abide by that decision. And so that will be the end of the process. Now, there's obviously a problem with arbitration in that you've really got to trust your arbitrator, and how you agree an arbitrator can itself be a point of dispute. If you've got an arbitration clause in your contract, it's well worth using it. You're probably obliged to use it before you use court proceedings. If you're looking for a way to avoid lengthy and costly court proceedings, arbitration may be right for you because it might come to a resolution quicker and at more cost. But as I say, you are putting all of your faith in an arbitrator. Much more common is mediation, and mediation gets mentioned a lot in the news. What is mediation? In the context of the work that we do, which is commercial disputes and direct-to-shareholder disputes, mediation is where the parties agree that they will meet on a given day or over a number of days, and they will appoint a mediator. The process is usually that the parties will meet at an agreed location where there will be 3 rooms, one for each party and one for the mediator. At the beginning of the day, the parties usually meet to set out their positions. And after that, the mediator will shuttle between the two parties, trying to reach some kind of compromise so that at the end of the day, both parties have a settlement. If you'd like to know more about this topic, please watch the full video on our YouTube channel.